Good morning guys, welcome to Riders Reality. My name is Suneet Malhotra and today I am at the beautiful town of Gokarna, and this is the day when I get to visit some of the most popular places in Gokarna, starting with the Yana Caves and the beautiful Vibhuthi Falls. Gokarna is a beautiful town in Karnataka, popular for temples, beaches and narrow roads. Yana Caves were 50 kilometers from Gokarna. As we started, the first stop for us was the Mahabaleshwar temple. As the ritual says, you cannot wear shorts, so I had to buy a lungi. So after that epic ride, by the way, we also took a wrong turn and ended up in the middle of the jungle trying to find our way to the Yana Cave. But finally we are here at the Yana Cave. A little bit of a trek from here, and then yeah, let's visit it and let's see what it has to offer. We were awestruck by the beautiful green forest we were walking through. Towards the end of the trek, you will see two giant caves on both sides of you. The Mohini Caves being 90 meter tall and the Mahabaleshwar Caves being 120 meter. After climbing up for about 20-25 minutes, we climbed up all the way. There were treacherous road, there were steps on it. Now we have reached a point called the Yallah Caves. Look at the huge piece of rock behind me. We're gonna go inside, and so the next scene that you're gonna see is inside the caves now. So those were the Yana Caves. Beautiful giant piece of rocks kept precisely to form a cave. Nobody knows how. Now we are heading to one of the most secluded place near Gokarna, and it's a natural waterfall called the Vibhuthi Falls. Oh boy, so after another ride of maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes. Once you start from Yana, Vibhuti has two routes. One is just 10 kilometers, the other one is about 45-50 kilometers. The 10 kilometer one is a bit treacherous, not exactly road. So that was the Vibhuthi Falls, ladies and gentlemen. This is Suneet Malhotra saying goodbye. This is it for my episode. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the other side.